going to be our award. Actually, this is not our performance, our performing agent awards. So this is called as a special award. And this was identified by yours truly, me, and me. Okay. So, well, this was actually good to me, pero I was able to validate naman, and I find it very professional. Very professional. Okay, let's start with iulit natin to. Before that, we will also like to thank Pedro Tang for the printing of the certificate. Maraming salamat sa alam ko mahal ko din. Mahal ang printing natin ng certificate. Pero thank you. Okay, for our first awardee, we have certificate is given to the most hiring agent. We are proudly the present is to Patricia Clarissa Jago. Thank everyone about almost everything. Okay, next certificate or this certificate is given to our client of the year, Greg Michelle Borboya, for being blind and looking like a blind every day.
Picture. Wala sa gitna.
Alright, next award we have. Okay, this certificate is given to our It Girl. So this is what we call as an It Girl Award. We proudly present this to Tony Bell Pagita for being social and living in Subdivision Sitesburg.
Subdivision Sitesburg. Okay.
Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. So this special award, okay, before we continue, again, special awards are just for entertainment purposes. Huwag mo nga, seryosohin ito ay para sa kasama ng ating team. Okay, now, medyo ano to eh. Okay, certificate is given to what we call as a Mr. Sipatero Award. We proudly present this award to Mike Angelo Pascal.
No,
Our girls are up to okay, congratulations, Mike.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
For winning one of the most shameful awards. Okay. Alright. So this certificate is given to be known as the Crown of the Year. We proudly present this to Mark Andrew Bailao. For being funny every day, physically, emotionally, and spiritually.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Congratulations, okay. This certificate is given to one of our last view offender. Our Mini Pantry Award.
Mini Pantry.
Is proudly presented to Vinci Maganda.
Congrats, Vinci.
Si Mami Bell. Okay, Vinci, for always having snacks inside this pouch kahit bawal sa front.
Vinci di pumunta. Sayang.
Okay, again, to repeat myself, Okay. Dito ba siya? Dito ba siya? Okay. This certificate is given to the person who we know as Mamang Tubero Award. We proudly present this to Rolling Dino Levia for cleaning tubo everything.
Ano tubo yan, pre?
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Hey, congratulations sa mga marami ka tubo. Alright. Ay, ito Ito guys when I say this doesn't mean it's about performance or ethics. But, let's start na lang. So for this certificate, this is given to our top one. Tippage! For accumulating 8 hours of sleep every day. Kaya mag-chat habang tulog. Kaya mag-chat habang umiikot si Oki Bentley sa ito.
Sino kaya yan?
Top 1 page tulog per hour award goes to Ayos Franco Bakay.
Tulog ka nga. Hindi ka natutulog ha?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ayan, wala na mata. Okay.
Kita mo natutulog pa. Okay, sabi naman dapat may top 2. Okay, top 20 page tulog per hour award goes to Ruben Charlotte Esqueta.
Congrats, Charlo!
Sleeping 4 hours na.
Para kaya kayo binigay ng award, mas na lang. Okay, this award is given to Alfredo Guntan. Okay, according to him, most handsome award.
Hey!
The most good-looking, attractive, personable, striking, standing, fine, proportion. At tasty. Functional and honorary.
1, 2, 3.
Ano certificate nila?
Okay. Nalista ko siya. Certificate is given to our writers of the team. Pinagin na pa yung pangalan ng tao dito is Data Gathering Award.
Data gathering award.
We proudly present this award to Russell Suado for gathering Christians from everywhere in London. Okay. So, hindi pa lang ito palang award kasi hindi ko nalilig sa game day lang. Okay. Certificate given to the illegitimate child. Ang batang anak sa labas. Anak ko sa labas. Anak sa labas award, we proudly present this certificate to Rodolfo Lebundo.
Hey!
For always sitting in Team JP despite being
Congrats! Mais ka, uy! Okay.
Alright.
Nakikiyo po.
Pero parang after this, ito yung magiging anak ko sa labas.
Kami na.
Okay, now, okay. Iba to guys ha, guys. Give yourself or give your full attention to this award. Iba klaseng award to guys.
I agree.
When you say, give yourself your full attention to this award, this means because this is the main character of the
Okay na!
This is the epitome of success.
Ang sarap ni Rasta mo.
Okay, certificate is given to the best actor awardee. Pagpapas ko ha, pagpapas-Oscars. Sobrang dami pinagdaanan sa buhay na nagtiri, nag-OT. We proudly present this award to DJ Veras. For being the main character.
One, two, three. Okay.
Congratulations, Vince. This certificate is given to one of our artistic talents in this team. So, artistic award goes to Vici Rapada for being resourceful and having a complete set of crayons. Sa pagbibigay ng kulay sa buhay natin.
Game 1, 2, 3. Okay, thanks.
Alright, congratulations! Okay, okay, this certificate was proven twice na. First is when you had your late night inuman.
Late night
Second
inuman.
was late night Okay, certificate is given to our Total Vivo Award. For singing and dancing Total Vivo last inuman. Award is going to, we're going to give it to Ryan Ocolete.
Di nakita. Ayan.
Gumalaw. Ito tayo vivo.
1, 2, 3.
Now, saving the best for last, or meron pa?
Meron pa daw?
Okay, saving the best for last, for my turn, kasi meron pa daw si Port na ibibigay. Now, certificate is given to the Thursday girl. To every Thursday, moral award. Kanina break naman yan is Thursday. Last Thursday.
Kasi Wednesday na lang.
Sa ginawa nila ng Wednesday yan. Okay. Character Development Award is proudly presented to Kathleen St. Francisco for being the girl to battle with the queen. Alright, more hours to come.
4 hours.
Okay, we
Ay,
have four.
tapos na ako.
We will be handing this mic to available time.
This award is the Best Coach Award. Is proudly presented to John Philip Dalito for being the most handsome, diligent, and best coach in Bawang ever.
Thank you.